if you're experiencing login issues on Dell Boomi, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix common login problems. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues, as these can prevent successful login. Step 2. Reset your password. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Check system status. Visit the Dell Boomi status page or support forums to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance activities affecting the login process. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. If the problem persists after following these steps, consider reaching out to Dell Boomi support for further assistance.